Hi, this is Nancy with Amen Acres Homestead, and tonight I want to bring you a recipe that my grandma gave me this cookbook about 38 years ago. This is the best recipe for banana bread you will ever want to have. It's fantastic. So we're going to get started. So you will need 1 stick of butter or butter substitute. I like my homemade butter, but you can use any kind of stick of butter that you would like. So I made homemade butter today, so we could use this in there. It takes 1 cup of sugar. I use just regular sugar, nothing fancy. 2 eggs. 3 mashed ripe bananas. I'm not going to mash them because I'm just putting them right in my stand mixer. But you want them to be good and ripe because it makes the banana bread a lot better. My husband is going to show you a neat trick to use the banana peels so they don't go to waste. It has been so cold here lately. Is it cold where you guys are at? 2 cups of flour. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We like the pink Himalayan salt. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I make my own vanilla and I use my own homemade vanilla, but you can use any kind you want. However, we're going to add the link. I'll show you in a video how to make this, and it is better than anything you could ever buy at the store. 1 teaspoon of soda. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And 1/2 cup of chopped nuts if desired. I chose walnuts, most people do. Now we're going to mix it, and I apologize for it being a little noisy. That looks just about right. I'm just going to put this in this loaf pan. I have to tell you, I love this recipe. It is well loved and well used. It's just so easy. I think it's so neat that my grandma gave me that cookbook 38 years ago. She's no longer alive and with us, but I have those memories of my grandma, and I really cherish them. Okay, so now you put it in the oven for 45 to 55 minutes at 350 degrees, and I'll see you back when it's done. welcome back. It's done. I just pulled it out of the oven. I put a few almond slivers on the top just after it started baking to give it a pretty appearance, and it also tastes good. But I wanted to show you, you may already know this, the best way to test and see if it's done is take a toothpick and poke it in a few places if you're making a cake or bread, and if it comes off clean and dry, your loaf of bread or your cake is done. But as you can see, it makes a beautiful loaf of banana bread every time. My grandma's recipe is tried and true. This is the cookbook, Sugar Bells Cake Club, Wichita, Kansas. I don't know how old it is, but I love it.
Okay guys, here's the little trick my wife said that I have learned. I've done some reading and everything, and you can take your banana peels after you're done eating them. Got a little sticker, you always want to take that off. But you can just take them, take water, put it in a jar, take and put them in there and let them set. And I use this jar, and I'll get through and put a bunch of banana peels and everything. Bananas have a lot of potassium in them, and what this does, it actually will sit here and kind of, it's basically the same thing as fermenting, and we'll put a lot of nutritions into the water, and you can use it like a fertilizer. And it's real good, especially for fruiting vegetables and stuff, but it also, if you got any flowers, it'll help them out. So the next time you have bananas, just save them, get you a jar, put a little water, keep it in the refrigerator, and all you gotta do is shake it up every once in a while and take and put some of that in your water, feed your plants. Thank you guys.
This is Nancy with Amen Acres Homestead. Thank you for coming along for this recipe. Please like, subscribe, share us on your social media, and thank you so much.